Hey everybody, welcome back to Run and Gun. I'm JT, and in this video I have some tips and tricks for you guys for lighting photos with just your phone. So if you can't tell, I am just using my phone screen right now as a little portable, almost like an LED light. And by using my phone screen instead of the backlight on my phone, I'm creating a larger light source, about 3 by 6 inches, and it actually creates a softer light on my subject, and I'm not getting as crazy harsh shadows, and I can do some really cool things with soft light that I really couldn't do with that hideous light on the back of my phone. And just to spice this up, I actually have an app on here. It's called Color Screen. You can download it from iTunes or the App Store, and I can do some crazy things with saturation and color, and I can mess with the hue and do all sorts of fun things with this app. As you can see, I can crank up the hue all the way to red. I can turn down the brightness right in this app without messing with the brightness on my phone. And then I can turn down the saturation to 0 and just create this almost little soft box if I hold it up very close to my subject. And this is awesome for portraits. This is awesome for light painting if I want to go in on a long exposure and maybe paint in different colors on my model or my subject. There's just so many cool things. I can create some nice split lighting with this. I can use it as a little accent light, a kicker, maybe a hair light back here. There's just so many awesome things that I can do with this app called Color Screen. And let's say you don't want to download another app to your phone. Another quick trick is to go to Google Images. You can download your favorite color. You can even search for color in Google Images. Just download a little screenshot of your favorite color to your phone, open it up in your photos, turn up your brightness all the way on your phone, and now you have a little portable colored light, whatever color you decide. But I can't recommend this Color Screen app enough. This technique is awesome for doing portraits. So that is all for this video. I hope you found it useful. Give it a try. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I'm having a whole bunch of fun playing with it myself. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys next week, and until next time, get out and go shoot.